What's happening, guys? Hey, just figured we'd, you know, get a little state of the channel. What's going on here? We're coming into summer 2021 here. So far, I mean, channel's been doing awesome lately. You know, I got a little over 34,000 subscribers here. Really excited that I can help that many people out. Super awesome. Kind of been reevaluating a little bit. What are we going to be doing on the channel coming up in the summer? You know, got some thoughts on that, so I want to share it with you guys in this video. So as you can tell, we are here at a playground, and you guys might not know this, but my primary day job is actually taking care of my kids, you know? Kind of started the YouTube stuff on the side, way to help people, make a few extra bucks, you know? Hopefully help support the family a little bit too. But coming up to summer, the kids are getting bigger, and there's a lot that I got to do for them all summer long. Keep them busy, keep them occupied, do fun things like that. We're going to be coming to playgrounds, doing all that kind of stuff. But that kind of leads me into my YouTube channel here. And, you know, for a while, we've been putting out 2 videos a week. And that's a lot of work, you know, it takes a lot of time. Been getting a little tough lately for me to cram it all in there, you know, with our schedules and stuff like that. We got sports going on, all kinds of things. So thinking about dropping it down to maybe 1 video a week in the summer here. And, you know, there's going to be times where maybe I can do more than 1. But what do you guys think about that? Comment below about that. Another thing that's real important on this channel is hearing from you guys. What do you want? What kind of videos are you looking for? Kind of things you want to learn about here in DaVinci Resolve or anything else, I don't know. So if you got things on your mind, definitely leave a comment below about that and let me know what you're thinking. We'd love to hear your thoughts. You know, a lot of times when I'm out here grilling, you know, making some steaks, by the way, it's a great time to sit out here and think, see what I want to do with this YouTube channel, where I want to go, that kind of stuff. So if you guys are interested in this kind of video, definitely comment down below, let me know. It's because some of you guys are trying to grow your channel too. Hey, maybe this stuff will help you out. So a couple things I've been thinking about is, 1, I got to monetize this channel a little bit more, creating things that are more useful for you guys that, you know, would help support the channel, help support my family, and allow me to continue to do this. You know, I do make some money off this channel, which has been good and helpful and has allowed me to keep doing it, but it's not that much, and you know, every little bit helps. You know, eventually we're gonna have some college to pay for, you know what I'm saying? It'd probably be crazy by the time my kids get there. And then there's always more to work on as far as YouTube channel is concerned, you know, things like working on better thumbnails, better titles, looking at your analytics more. And that's something I haven't done a ton of, is looking at the analytics and understanding it and how to break it down. What does it mean and what do I change to get, you know, more views, to get my videos out there more so that more people can see it. And one of the things I've been doing and really need to get going on a little bit more is working through Daryl Eves' book and the things that he talks about in there as far as how to grow your YouTube channel, the things you should do, what to look at, and that kind of stuff. And it's an awesome book. It's just, it takes a lot of time, and, you know, trying to crank out all these videos and the limited amount of time that I have is pretty tough. But that's one of the things that I really want to work on, and I think going with just 1 video a week, I'm going to be able to do that a little bit better, have a little more time, make 1 quality video for you guys a week, at least for the summer. I think in the fall we'll actually get back to making more videos, because then everybody will be back in school full day and all that kind of stuff. But for the summer, 1 video, and then that it's going to give me some time to come up with some good products that I can hopefully share with you guys, as well as just grow this business. You know, YouTube is part of my photography business, so kind of grow this side of it a little bit more, you know, work with things like more passive income as far as affiliate links. There's so much stuff to do, and to, you know, I kind of got my head wrapped around it a little bit. There's always more to it and better ways to do it and kind of tweak things and, you know, make it work a little better. So that's a big goal of mine for, you know, not only this summer, but just my channel in general. If you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, you want me to share any of that as I'm going through and figuring it out, comment below, let me know that too. I want to know what you guys think, what you guys are interested in, and what you guys want to learn about. But anyway, I got to get to these steaks over here, because looking pretty good there. Cook these bad boys up. Anyway, how do you take your steak? I go mine medium. So anyway, I guess that's enough for this video. I just want to end it by saying thank you guys. Thank you everybody for checking out my videos, for commenting, for being part of this awesome community. This whole YouTube journey has been super awesome. I've really enjoyed it. It's great to be able to help people out and just share my knowledge in DaVinci Resolve. Really great to be able to do something that makes a difference for people, that helps people. Leave your comments below. I'm really curious to see your thoughts on all this kind of stuff. See you later. Peace.